What's going on, guys? Making another video here, wanting to cover my investment plan I am putting together. This is more or less going to be about buying common stock, not ETFs or anything of that nature. No ETFs, no mutual funds. This is kind of an investment plans I'm putting together to kind of have some sort of guidance to fall back to while investing on Robinhood. Needing to remember why I bought into a stock, when should I sell off, what are some long-term goals or short-term goals I may have as far as investing. So with that said, let's dive right in. I do want to add that I am not a professional financial advisor. Nor have I been investing for a long time, but I do think it's good to have some sort of plan together, even if you have to come back and adjust it at a later date with newfound experiences. So, first area I have in here is goals. Some of those goals being long-term goals and short-term. Some things I may place in here is like what do I plan to do with the money I grow via investments. So do I plan to buy a house, buy a car or a house, maybe pay off some long-standing debt like student loans and whatnot. I will be going over this plan once I finish it, but those are some long-term goals. So some short-term goals may be, I don't know, maybe they can kind of mix with the long-term goals as well. So let's say you have a car loan that's about $6,000. Well, if you invest in some growth stocks, there's a likely chance that they will grow within that short-term 6 month to a year period. So going to the portfolio distribution, I touched on this slightly in my last video. Planning to distribute my stocks that I purchase across 4 sectors, those being technology, health, energy, and automotive. I have some ideas of stocks I may be choosing. Have yet to purchase all of those stocks in mind, but I am planning to do maybe 50% low risk, high dividend stocks that have been, known to turn a profit and will be around for the next 10 to 15 years. Then the next side is going to be what are more high risk, high reward kind of stocks, growth potential stocks such as some pharmaceutical companies, Tesla and whatnot, to kind of help push the portfolio forward. Last section I have here is risk management. So 2 sections I've listed in here so far is coming up with criteria for buying the actual stock. So criteria for entry. Why am I choosing this company? Maybe I may look over the 10K, 10Q or whatever have you, see the growth year over year versus the competition. What are some of the risks of that stock going down or that company not being successful next year? The last section I have under risk management is the exit strategy. Usually when you're long term, if you fully believe in that company, unless that stock severely turns downward or belly up and goes bankrupt, you're probably going to stay involved within that company. So that's probably some reasons what's going to fall under the exit strategy. Let's say I invest $1,000 into a company and the value of that company falls by 50%. So now my $1,000 has turned into $500. And the reason for that downturn may be the market's just doing bad and whatnot, but that could be one of my reasons for exiting that share, that company. If the market is doing good and that stock does bad, then that's a different story, right? You probably should get out. But if the market's doing bad and that company is doing bad, there's just an overall poor performance within that company. So it's probably not a good reason to exit said company. So this is kind of some pointers I came up with my investment plan so far. I will be going over this, filling this out, maybe even adding or taking away some sections that do not make sense. So just wanted to kind of show you guys where I'm starting off as far as in investments and and what guidelines I'm going to have as far as buying and selling stocks on my Robinhood portfolio. Again, I plan to only invest in common stocks. I'm going to save stuff like mutual funds and ETFs for a retirement account that I may cover on this channel as well. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.